The Nepean River down Douglas Parkway, just a little downstream from Picton. You can see on these columns here, on their tops, they've had some pretty heavy reinforcing done to strengthen up the tops of these columns. A lot of bolts there. The Hume Highway and the associated bushland, which runs through like this, right through up the rivers to Picton. The water's flowing pretty well today with the recent rain that we've had. The river was right over this bridge when the floods were on. The works we are looking at today is in Picton. The Picton Post Office is the heritage building that suffered significant structural damage in the floods a couple of years back. The footings were rubble sandstone bearing on poor soil. We discovered rock was at about 6 metres with a considerable ground stream flowing over the rock bed. We chose blade piles with concrete heads instead of a typical concrete pier, which took place a couple of years back. And so they're finally getting this thing fixed up. Even the building next door, you can see how the brickwork's cracked there. So we got into this one, first of all securing the electrical cable works, getting that out of the road. And then we started in with the blade pile installation. We needed to prop up the corner of this building to stop it sinking any further. These are the pier caps that sit over the top of the screw piles. Here's another one after a bit of rain, so we had to pump that one out. Bit of support here to hold the wall up while we're doing it. And some scaffold there on the back because we had to support the chimney with the frame so that it wouldn't fall down in any future shakers. Clock tower there up on top of the scaffold, just on the side of the chimney there you can see. This is just another shot there. So this is their job of the Picton Post Office. Looking pretty flash there.